Hello, welcome to my channel, the place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. Today you will learn how to prepare a true classic of Mexican cuisine, Mexican chili. A rich, aromatic recipe, full of flavor, with ingredients that complement each other perfectly and that results in a warm, comforting and striking dish. The kind of meal that brings the family together around the table and makes everyone ask for another ladle. And the best part, it is much easier to make than it seems, and you can prepare everything in a single pan. So pay attention to each step, because every detail makes a difference. And don't forget, the list of ingredients is in the video description. We start by heating a large pan, preferably with a thick bottom, such as an iron or stainless steel pan. With it very hot, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let it heat for a few seconds and then add 500 grams of ground beef. Stir well to loosen the pieces and start browning. Here it is important to let the meat sit for a while at the bottom of the pan so that it can really caramelize and form that tasty texture that will add depth to your chili. Season lightly with salt and continue sautéing until the meat loses its pinkish hue and takes on a deep golden color. Once the meat is well browned, add a medium chopped onion. Sauté it with the meat for about 3 to 4 minutes, until it becomes translucent and begins to release its sweet aroma. Then add 2 finely chopped garlic cloves and continue stirring for another minute, just to release the garlic's aroma without letting it burn. Now it's time to add more layers of flavor. Add a chopped red bell pepper and a chopped green bell pepper. They will give color, texture, and a slightly sweet touch to the chili. Sauté for another 3 minutes, until the peppers begin to soften. With the vegetables well incorporated into the meat, let's add the dry spices that are the soul of this recipe. Add a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of sweet paprika, a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of dried oregano. If you want a spicier touch, also add a chopped fresh chili pepper. Stir well to coat everything with the seasonings, letting them touch the hot bottom of the pan and release their oils and aromas. The mixture will gain a vibrant color and an irresistible fragrance. If you are enjoying this recipe, please like, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Now we add the liquid base, 2 cups of chopped tomatoes and 1 cup of beef broth. Stir well, scraping the bottom of the pan with a spoon to loosen any caramelized residue from the meat and vegetables. This is pure flavor. Once it starts to boil, add a can of drained red beans, also known as kidney beans, and a cup of cooked corn. Stir well to incorporate all the ingredients. Lower the heat, partially cover the pan and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. This time is essential for the flavors to meld, the broth to thicken and the chili to acquire that typical full-bodied texture. If the broth is too thick, you can add a little more water or beef broth. If it is too thin, let it cook for a few more minutes with the lid open to reduce. While the chili is slowly simmering, you can prepare the sides. Grate a generous amount of cheddar cheese and set aside. Chop fresh cilantro to taste and cut a lime into wedges to squeeze over the dish when serving. Also heat some corn tortillas in a very hot frying pan, without oil, just to lightly toast them and keep them soft and warm. Once the chili has cooked through, turn off the heat and taste it. Add salt if necessary. Now it's time to assemble. Serve a generous ladle of chili in a deep bowl. Top with grated cheese that will melt instantly, sprinkle fresh cilantro and finish with a little freshly squeezed lime juice. Serve warm tortillas on the side. The result? An explosion of intense flavors, varied textures and that irresistible spicy touch. This is true Mexican chili, a rustic dish, full of personality, that embraces everyone who eats it. If you make it the way I taught here, paying attention to every detail, you're sure to surprise everyone. Enjoy it while it's hot and enjoy. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more incredible recipes like this one. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.